HMCS Calgary was one of the largest and most complex docking work periods we have ever completed at Seaspan. Over the past 28 months, over 1,000 employees have worked together and collaborated and contributed to the completion of the docking work period. Once we complete the docking work period for Calgary, the ship will be returned to the fleet maintenance facility where they will continue to reactivate systems and then eventually return the ship to full operations. Seaspan and Victoria Shipyards' history with the Halifax-class dates back almost 2 decades, starting back with the Halifax-class modernization a couple of decades ago, through to what we now is a relatively new contract, the Halifax-class work period, where we've delivered HMCS Regina in 2023 and are now preparing to return HMCS Calgary back to the Navy.
Hi, I'm Matt Lambert. I'm the Deputy Program Manager for the Surface Vessel Program at Victoria Shipyards, where I oversee the docking work periods for the Halifax-class work period. Right now we're on board the HMCS Calgary and we want to show you some of the work we've been doing over the past 28 months. Let's go have a look. The team at Victoria Shipyards have completed an enormous amount of work on Calgary. The ship's getting 2 new boat cranes on the port and starboard boat decks, and right now we're on the starboard boat deck. If you look behind me over here, you'll see the foundation for the new crane that's being installed. So these 2 new engineering changes bring new capabilities to the ship, and that the cranes can bring on new, larger boats for operations, and they can also hoist munitions and equipment for the ship's company. Right now we're on the bridge of HMCS Calgary. Since receiving Calgary back in January of 2023, we've completed a significant amount of maintenance and repair specifications and engineering changes. This is all in support of the Royal Canadian Navy's goal of ensuring that these ships remain operationally available and relevant until the replacement fleet is delivered, which is the River-class destroyer being built under the National Shipbuilding Strategy. So right now we're in Calgary's galley. This is one of the areas that had a significant amount of work occur. All of this compartment was stripped out and the floor you're standing on was largely replaced. There's also a machinery space below us which had a significant amount of work going on at the same time, so we had to deconflict that work, which was quite a big challenge. Fortunately, we've got some very skilled tradespeople who are also very good at problem solving, and with our project management team and supporting departments, we're able to overcome that challenge. Right now we're in the MCR on Calgary. That's the machinery control room. If you look around me, you're going to see a lot of computer monitors with flashing lights. That reflects the phase of the project that we're in. It's reactivation, and we're now flashing up systems, and we look forward to handing over the vessel in a couple of weeks.
This is a significant milestone for Seaspan and represents our ongoing commitment for the Halifax-class work period program. We benefit from an outstanding relationship with Canada, PSPC, DND, and the RCN, and that collaboration and cooperative spirit within the enterprise has helped deliver HMCS Calgary and the completion of her docking work period.
The Halifax-class work period is strategically important to Canada, and it's incredibly rewarding to be a part of this program that gets to maintain and upgrade our ships that our sailors rely on to take to sea and protect our national interests.
As someone who sailed on Halifax-class frigates as a sailor with the Canadian Navy, I take a great deal of pride in the work that we do in continuing to maintain the frigates for the Royal Canadian Navy. We are proud to deliver a ship at a high level of quality, environmental, and safety standards for Seaspan.